What's up guys, welcome to a new vlog. Ray here, excited to bring to you another video. Oh my days, as you just have read on the title guys, I've been waiting for these shoes for a while now guys. Oh my days. All right, let's just get into it. But before we do that guys, you already know, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Oh my god, it's hot in here. I just got home. I got this package delivered in the mail and I'm just gonna quickly unbox it with you guys. All right, I bought these ones from, what's it called? What's the Finded? Yeah, I bought this one from Finded, and they took a while before they got delivered, but they are finally here. So I'm just gonna quickly open it up. Info, put the box down, gone, and there they are guys. The clogs. I have been waiting for these for a while. That's the box. This one's fit a little bit bigger, so I don't know if this one's gonna fit me, but I got a size 45, 46. I'm gonna try it. Alright, that's the box. On the other side, you got the fingerprints, and you got our Salehe Crocs on that side. Alright, I'm just gonna quickly open them up. As you already know guys, this one should be new. I bought them on, there they are. I'm gonna quickly just put this one down here. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my days guys, there they are. Just rubber, let's say foam-ish material. I've got a medium size 11, male size 11. That's what it is. Oh my days! I love the comfortability from the Crocs. So the insole, you got that Crocs. Oh, I love Crocs. I really do, and I also love this collaboration, so I'm going to try them out. This is on the edges, they got this like fingerprint going all the way through. I'll put it up here. Lovely. I'm going to totally wear this one's little trip coming up, which I'll update you guys very soon. And I'm going to be rocking these ones, definitely going to be rocking these ones. Yeah, the Crocs, or the clogs. And there's the second one. Some few paperworks on this side. And the back heel. Wow, I love it. Alright guys, that's just a quick unboxing, and the rest in the box there's really nothing in there. Got this one, and there we go, there we go. Summer, they came exactly on time for summer. I'm gonna try them on and see if they fit. Perfect. Alright guys, that's it for me. Catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget, big cat to another. Peace!